Welcome to Pyresearch channel. In this video, we will creating the ChatGPT with voice recognition and here the exploring. You can see the speak something ChatGPT. Hi ChatGPT. I will explore my more Pyresearch channel. So what should I do? So you can see the it will be showing me that some result. To exploring the Pyresearch channel is there is some social sites, sign up and new list etc love love love. So how to work it? So I'm open my PyCharm. So you can see we are going to the step by step. So after open the PyCharm and open the Google, I'm going to the my Pyresearch GitHub account site. So I'm open it. We are already creating two videos. One is a ChatGPT API working, and then ChatGPT. You can search out it yourself. ChatGPT with API. Let me show you. I think it's not same. Okay, we are searching out the ChatGPT API. ChatGPT. Do not worry about that. So you can see I am searching of the speak recognition algorithm will be in front of you. It's private. Okay, do not worry. I am just copy this this algorithm. Uh, Here I am copy this algorithm and I will show you the it's working or not working. Okay, then we need one algorithm also open AI. So I am put here in the second part is the webcam.py. It's rewrite the name. Okay, so it's not creating any mistake. So you can see that we are going to the two algorithms will be is front of you and how to create the logic and we are exploring. Yeah, there is the rewrite the name. Oh, it's not giving any option. New file. Okay, do not worry. We are going to the new file. Open. Yeah. Okay. So you can see the one main file speech recognition here. The one OpenAI import the OpenAI. So we are here. The we will going to the PyCharm references and Python interpreter. Here I am open my Anaconda environment, which is already mentioned. But we are going to the by default Python 3.9. Uh, when we are going to the Python 3.9, it's creating just like you all environment in zero base. So we are mention it here add local interpreter. So it will be mentioned it here Python 3.9. Okay. So I mentioned it my project name Python. You can see the Python project too. Okay, it's so now we are going to going to the plus sign. We need two libraries. One is the Open AI. Install the package. Here the loading the installing package model. So you can see the 0.27.6 Open AI. So basically, our target will be showing you speech recognition. You can speech and against giving the model, suggesting the model. So it's taking time. I do not know what should why it need any 0.72 library install. Okay, we will wait for this installation successfully. Okay, it's great. After installation part will be done, okay the button, you can check it out the here it's the red line. I'm copy this go to the again references. Now we need to the plus sign and speech recognition, no need to show. You can reload this type of the model. You can see that search out. I think it's speech recognition will be installed packet successfully. So you cannot need to any you can see the here the first of all its main.py will be what cannot be installed. Okay, you can see that mention py audio will be not installed. You can install it. Go to the reference plus sign and here the py audio and 0.2.13 will be installed in front of you. After installation part will be done and not need any error. You go to the easily connect your audio path and I will show you. Now it's working fine. Hello, hi, how are you? Hello, hi, how are you? Speech recognition part will be done. Now we are going to the here where you found to the API. You found the API in going to the Open API sign up and get the Open API. So you can see the what kind of will be okay. It's mentioned already main file. Okay, it's not mentioned the we are copy this algorithm and paste here. We are test only Open API algorithm. First of all, its main file will be run. Okay, what kind of the getting error? Attributing model model and in Open API. Okay, it's getting an error. Open API is not working fine. We should delete this file name, otherwise cannot be run. Okay, so oh, it's getting error. What kind of getting an error? Import an error is URL3 v2 only supported is the OpenSSL to the you can go to the PyCharm. Okay, and here the library. So open AI. I think have we should change the URL3 model 2.0.0 will be successfully installed. Let me try it again. Oh, I think we need to delete it and install it again. First of all, you need to uh, it's very important to the create the environment first of all. Then if you create the environment, you can easily uh, run your algorithm very well. Otherwise you find more error. You can see, check it out. Okay, so I think we should go to the references. Here the change the model and see the URL 3. Where is the URL 3 model? Let me show you. 1.6 16.14. Okay, uh, here and 1.16 point. I hope it's working fine now. Let me check it out. I think it's working now. Okay, you can see the URL 3 with getting too much panic error. So its open API will be working fine. I hope so. After working fine, we are going to implement speech recognition. And you can see the promote command will be showing install later the once upon a time. You can away, he give me suggestion, more suggestion, I will expert that. Okay, so one algorithm and second algorithm. Now we are going to the create our project speech recognition with ChatGPT. So here the import, I will show you. Here the copy and paste, and I am merging the code. Here the speech recognition, print the speech. Okay, print the speech. After print the speech, I will put here. Okay, now we create the logic at the here. So I am put here the SR. So let me show you what kind of the getting error. This is something blah 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 and break the API. Okay, we are just like you. I will mention here the algorithm here and open API will be response first, then speech recognition response. After speech recognition or response, you can. So you can see that we are mentioned the S are the control upward mentioned API is upward. So here the we are creating one logic. Okay, so we need to the query. Query will be uh, now print for more. So I am mentioned here to here one speech recognition will be going. Speech recognition will be done. After done, we are promoting in assign the speech. Then you can see the one by one line will be going to you. I'm not showing the any code of in my Git account. You can see the here the simple lines, 36 lines. So we are getting one error, speech recognition and unexpected value error. What kind of the value error we can check it out where we find to get any error. So you can see that we are getting error. It's not working fine. I think we are getting an error mhm, from the not any query. Okay, here the mentions checking point working or not. Hello, hi, how are you? Oh, yeah, it's working fine now. It's simple. Here I'm putting the working or not working. So you can see the one project will be okay. You create the open API and assign the voice recognition, and you can check it out. The result will be showing you in front of you. So I am open it. So hi, how are you? How to grow Pyresearch channel, more audience to entertain and more project to explore. Please suggest me. So you can see the here the 10 suggests will be showing you. So now last project part will be how to create the open API. You go to the openapi.com blog open API. You sign up, go to the sign up option. After go to the sign up option, we are going to sign up option. I think it's taking time. No, it's not needed. I'm mentioning it here the my Pyresearch account. Okay. After Pyresearch account mention it, you can see the this type of interface testing. Here the view API. Here the create API. You mention the name. Hello. So you get the this type of link and go to the your algorithm and put here. Okay. So run it again. Hi, how are you? I think it's my side is billing issue. So you create your sign up your new account, and you can try it yourself, and any type of confusion in this program in this video, you comment down. So I hope you like it. Oh, it's working fine. No, it's not working fine. Open API, real time your billing issue. So I hope you like it. Kindly support our channel for more getting information updates. Any type of confusion, go to the Pyresearch channel, and you should comment down. Our team will be respond you within second.